Chukwigura kigambere kyo imeya kisi bono nigo ukubuligwa kwa rurwe gochase umunachibi no munene Martha Koome kwenekia nkwagachare kigambero kiekerero imeya kisi na kwigura bigambero binde asensemo ya Nyamarambe Nyamache amo na Nyanturago iryo kwenekia obokoreri ubuya kukwana na Martha Koome nigabulia buigo abakenya kubwaterana asensemo y'ubutumiki bw'emitandao yekerero kugaya nebina na inchireyemo yo kwanguya obukoreri na kwegania gose na gokeania obukurumi robotiro no muriketo Frida Kerubo
naso muyiga bukwigora bene ekigambiro kia alternative justice system asomo goko oba gokwenekigwa akolinde ayana maganio aruegwa neturetia bagaka elio kugariyo obukoreri ime county ya Nyamira boigo.
As council represents Port Kisii and the Nyamira counties. As a community, we highly appreciate your noble action to consider Kisii County to practice alternative justice system. Honorable Chief Justice, we kindly request that you extend the same to Nyamira County because they are part of us in the Elders Council.
Nonyana boni gumna chibi no monene ubwagachi wikigambero gikirero ya Kisii na boigo ebigambero binde asensemo ya Nyamarambe Nyamache na Nyanturago ilyo kwenekia obukoreri obuya.
Request you to consider constructing a modern and new law court block for Kisii, which will provide more space. This will provide more space and better services. We also request you to allow the establishment of 3 new courts in Nyamarambe, another one at Nyamache, and another one at Nyanturago, as a way to shorten distance and reduce travel expenses.
Omunyakerugo o LSK Kisii chapter Justus Maeche nigagokera okubekwa gweteretia bagaka gusonsora ebine bike naboigo kogokera alia Martha Koome abeire kagwikirania.
Ekegusi, we did have what we call etureti ya bagaka. Talikuwa yona naireje. Etureti ya bagaka. Justice abantu baminto she has established etureti ambayo tutakuwa tunaita etureti ya Martha Koome. Mkikosana munaenda huko. Thank you, Chief Justice, for the good work you're doing. Kisii Court is now a 2-judge bench. A long time. We want to thank you so much for that.
Asensemo y'omugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigaeneke nigwe asobwango na konyora obwene asenchire ndonge.
The court in Kisii County are burdened with a large number of cases, many of which involve land dispute, family conflicts. These are matters that can often be resolved more quickly, effectively, and much lower cost through AGS.
Omunachibi no monene Martha Koome ningabulia bakenya kubwaterana anene asubutumiki bw'emitandao yekerero kugayana ebina asenekia n'enchireyemo yogokeania obukurumi.
We realize that this is a shared responsibility and we have to work together to serve Kenyans who travel long distances to come to court. So that is why we have embraced technology and we are trying to help litigants to save time and money if they can embrace e-filing and also virtual courts and other technology that we have embraced, even to reduce the human interaction, where also when we reduce the human interaction, it reduces also the incidences of corruption.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.